welcome to Bike Zone channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric scooters of 2024, the Weped Sonic. Known for pushing the boundaries of performance and design, Weped is back with their latest creation, the Sonic. This scooter promises to blend extreme power with sleek engineering. But is it worth the hype? Let's take a closer look. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the 2024 Weped Sonic is its aggressive, futuristic design. Weped hasn't cut any corners when it comes to craftsmanship. The scooter features a robust aluminum alloy frame, which not only ensures durability but also gives it a premium feel. With its low profile and wide deck, the Sonic is designed to offer a comfortable yet aggressive riding stance. The attention to detail, from the sharp lines to the well-placed LED lighting, makes this one of the best-looking scooters on the market. Performance and speed. Now, let's talk power. The 2024 Weped Sonic is equipped with dual 5000W motors, delivering a combined output of 10,000 watts. This beast can reach a top speed of up to 80 mph, making it one of the fastest electric scooters available. Whether you're commuting or pushing the limits on open roads, the Sonic's acceleration is blistering. But with great power comes the need for great control. The Sonic features customizable speed settings, so you can adjust to your comfort and road conditions. And range. What's power without endurance? The Weped Sonic comes with a 72V45Ah battery, providing a solid range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. While that range may vary based on your speed and terrain, it's still impressive for a scooter with this much performance. The scooter also features a fast charging option, so you won't be waiting around for long to hit the road again. Braking and suspension. At high speeds, safety is key, and Weped ensures the Sonic is equipped for that. The scooter features hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, providing reliable stopping power even at top speeds. Paired with regenerative braking, you get that extra bit of control and efficiency. As for suspension, the Sonic sports a dual suspension system that easily absorbs bumps, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Technology and features. Weped didn't skimp on tech either. The Sonic is packed with a smart display that shows everything from speed to battery life, and even has Bluetooth connectivity for real-time updates and diagnostics. The LED lights aren't just for aesthetics, they improve visibility during nighttime rides. Additionally, it features an anti-theft system, adding peace of mind when parking in public spaces. Conclusion. So, what's the cost of all this power and technology? The Weped Sonic is priced in the premium range, starting at around $6,500. While it's certainly an investment, for those who prioritize speed, range, and cutting-edge design, the Sonic delivers. If you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who simply wants the best, the 2024 Weped Sonic is a game-changer in the electric scooter market. Its blend of performance, technology, and design makes it a standout in 2024. Outro. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more electric vehicle content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2024 Weped Sonic. Will it be your next ride? Thanks for joining Bike Zone.